Proper watch storage is no laughing matter and should be taken very seriously. There's a very good chance that some of you right now are accidentally damaging your watches without even realizing. So what I'm going to do today is share with you some of my own watch storage solutions for travel and home storage, and hopefully this helps some of you out there. First of all, home storage solutions. Where are you going to store your watch when you're at home? You're going to wear it the next day? Possibly. This isn't a long-term solution. I found this little guy, I think on AliExpress or Amazon, and he seems to be the perfect little nighttime solution for where I put my watch. He holds it perfectly for me. So he can do that. But my weekly slot box, I've got this one here. I can keep 6 watches in here, or 6 watches in here and 1 on wrist, so I have 7 for my weekly swap out. This is an excellent watch storage box. This was from the Daily Watch, and it is the tits. This is awesome. I love this one. That's daily stuff. Keep those, tucked away. Thing is, you want to be conscious of light and heat. Too much light on your dials will start fading your dials. Too much heat, you'll start degrading lubricants. So, dry, safe, cool spot. Best way to keep the longevity in your watches. If you only have a small collection, no problem. They're single watch pouches. These are great. These work for traveling, and it works for just a single watch. The last thing you want to do is throw all your watches loose into a drawer. That's a terrible idea, and if I need to explain why, that's ridiculous. But these are great for little small watch collections. You have a couple watches, or for traveling, these work perfect. For travel, you want anything that has a relatively sturdy outside, so your watches are not going to get damaged. All of these are, a little bit hard-shelled, soft to the touch, but hard-shelled. These ones are great for watches on straps rather than a bracelet. These fit perfect, and you can fit 2 watches in here, and you don't have to worry about them colliding with one another. These are a couple of perfect watch box storage solutions. Some other considerations for you. Crown pressure. Make sure that your watch box leaves more than enough room for your crowns so they're not interfering with the other watches. As well, magnetism. That will kill your watch and you won't even understand what the heck just happened. You want to keep your stuff well away from anything with magnets. Now this here is a perfect long-term storage or high volume travel case. 15 slots, nice soft cushions, nice soft cushioned inside, and a very rigid hard body on the outside. Perfect watch storage solution for long term, or if you're one of those people that likes to travel with numerous watches. This is one of my favorite cases. I have a few of them. They stack wonderfully, and as you can see, they keep a lot of watches. And there you have it. Quick and simple. 5 very common mistakes and 5 very simple answers. Well, to be fair, 1 simple answer. Proper watch storage. Solves all the issues. Dark, cool, dry. No magnetism anywhere near it. Plain and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Content is always fresh.